go right ahead.
Hi.
Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your students, these are receiving inside the table all the time. We're on our way to Hershey Chocolate. Your guide will be see inside.
Not really much people here.
It's going to be closed tomorrow. Starting tomorrow. The inside's going to be all closed.
Look! Cat! Hello! What is it? Hoi hoi!
80 miles to Philadelphia. Mocha, caramel, strawbella, blossom, cocoa, and hazel.
Have a roaster and chop.
Oh, and cupcake.
This is the smell. Yeah.
You're on the camera.
Yeah, I am. Where we are? Oh! There we are. Screening. Look, this is a chocolate procedure.
Cocoa bean cleaner.
Cocoa cleaner. This is band blending. It's here now, look.
Wow. Look at the big tubes. Sugar, steam.
It's warm.
We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them into our breaking chamber, which cracks open the shells at high speed. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. Hey, a good friend of mine is waiting up ahead to tell us more.
Hey everyone!
Look.
Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process.
Wow.
Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumbs.
You can smell it, huh?
real chocolate?
No.
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course, that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Hi, everybody. These conching machines use big granite rollers to smooth and transform refined crumbs into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate.
I think that's real.
It's real?
I think so. Yeah.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride.
Here now.
Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate.
Oh look, wrapping.
All of that fresh,
Real?
delicious Hershey's chocolate
Real
goodness
drop?
is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate with special dog bars.
Look, Kisses over here.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolates.
So this is real?
Thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Wow. Look, it's real. Look, it's already there.
Yeah.
It looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today.
I think it's real
Remember
chocolate.
that
Yeah,
wherever you
good day.
go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Have a camera there. But how can you smile on it? There's a camera over there.
Here.
Oh yeah! Oh wow, this is cute.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Wow. I think we have there.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Why? I don't know where we are.
I don't think this is. See, after you get your thing, you can share it to #ChocolateWorld.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.